Happy New Year and welcome to 2025. Samsung is gearing up to officially unveil the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series, marking its largest Galaxy S launch ever. As excitement reaches a boiling point, let's dive into the latest leaks about the Galaxy S25 Ultra and what makes this series one of the most impressive in Samsung's history. Unmatched performance. The Galaxy S25 series is set to redefine smartphone performance. For the first time, all Galaxy S25 models will feature 12 GB of RAM across every storage option, including the base model. This ensures top-tier performance for every user. On top of that, the series will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, available in all variants globally. This combination of hardware guarantees an unparalleled user experience, solidifying Samsung's position at the forefront of mobile technology. Life-saving technology. The Galaxy S25 series is introducing a potentially life-saving feature, a car detection sensor. Leaked through the One UI 7 software code, this feature is expected to help detect accidents and enable quick emergency responses, setting a new standard in smartphone safety. Furthermore, Samsung is advancing its satellite connectivity capabilities, a feature initially introduced with the Galaxy S24 series and Z Fold 6. These enhancements are expected to play a major role in the S25 series, ensuring users stay connected even in remote locations. Exclusive innovations. Samsung continues to differentiate itself with exclusive technologies not available on rival devices, including the iPhone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will debut next-generation Gorilla Glass with enhanced anti-reflective properties, making it even more resistant to glare while improving durability. This upgrade ensures a superior viewing experience and better protection for users. Revolutionary camera system. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a dream device for photography enthusiasts. It will feature a dual-zoom setup with 5x and 3x lenses, a new isosceles JN350MP ultra-wide lens, and a 200MP isosceles HP2 main sensor. These advanced camera specifications promise professional-grade photos and videos, offering unparalleled quality in a smartphone. AI integration and Gemini Advanced. Samsung is embracing artificial intelligence like never before. Through its partnership with Google, the Galaxy S25 series will offer free access to Gemini Advanced, a premium AI-powered service that normally costs $20 per month. Users will enjoy free access for 3 months with the Galaxy S25, 6 months with the S25 Plus, and an entire year with the S25 Ultra. This is complemented by an advanced version of Bixby, making the S25 series a powerful tool for productivity, creativity, and more. Final thoughts. The Galaxy S25 series represents a bold leap forward in smartphone technology, combining unmatched performance, innovative safety features, exclusive hardware, and powerful AI capabilities. With the official unveiling just days away, the excitement is palpable. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 series? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Until next time, peace out.